across the motherland, the journey begins. Feet on the road, sun in my eyes, stories unfolding under open sky. From city lights to the village song, Geofrey the Nomad, we move along. So bring us out, exploring Africa and beyond. Yeah, Nomad, keep moving.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Tuva.
Okay, and tell us where you come from.
I come from Zambia.
Okay,
Yeah.
so how long have you been here in Kenya?
I've lived in Kenya 18 months now, 1 year, 6 months.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how do you find Kenya?
It's chaotic,
Yeah.
it's beautiful, it's vibrant, it's such a vibe.
Okay, yeah. So what can you tell about Kenya? About people, like if you want to tell about Kenya, what can you say?
People that want to come to Kenya,
Yes.
they should. They really should.
Yeah.
There's such a vibrant nightlife,
Yes.
a vibrant art space. The art scene is really vibrant. The plays, the musicals, they put on ballet shows as well. It's a very green city as well, so there's
Yeah.
so many green spaces that have been preserved, and
Yeah.
they're very either free or like very affordable, accessible for everyone. So it's such a well-rounded city, I'd say.
So what brought you here in Kenya?
I came for work, yeah.
Okay, what
yeah.
kind of work?
I work in communications for an NGO.
Okay, so you applied and then you came here.
I did. Well, I have been working with the organization for 5 years.
In Zambia?
Remotely, but yes, in Zambia and South Africa. And it's a huge one. So, when an opportunity came to work in Kenya, I
Yeah,
was
you
like,
had it too. Yeah.
yeah. But there's so many other Zambians that work for like smaller companies in the private sector. So there's so much opportunity in Kenya.
So how did you connect with Chiluba?
With Chiluba, so we had a Women's Day dance thing for Zambians.
Yes.
And it was held here. Chiluba is the dance studio owner.
Yeah.
So we came here. I came for the first time in March, Women's Day, and I never left. I now dance 3 times a week with him.
Wow. So you are now a loyal dancer.
I am such a loyal dancer.
Yeah. So are you promoting Zambia as well?
Absolutely. I always wear my scarf.
We can see that. Yeah.
I either have my scarf. Mostly I have my scarf, or I have like a Zambian cap,
thing.
or like a Zambian t-shirt. But I'm always promoting Zambia. And we dance to Zambian music in there. Tio Neson's Mutima is our favorite song in this. Tio Neson Mutima.
Kankale. Wow. Yeah. So what other music are you advertising, like
We
artists?
have a beats class, so we do like today we're dancing to Nigerian songs. We had that Copa La movie there. We had the Copa La dances. It's so vibe.
Yeah. So yeah, that's nice. Continue promoting our
Absolutely.
country.
Zambia
Yeah,
Pichano.
representative.
Let's do
Yeah.
it.
Make it smaller, make it smaller.
So guys, I'm here with the
Tuba.
Tuba from Zambia.
That's
So I
me.
met her here at Chiruba's studio,
Yeah.
the one here. So we linked up and also showed me, and we did some dance moves.
He was
Though I'm not,
suffering. He was dying.
no, I'm not
through
good
it.
with dance.
You have to add the video.
Yeah. I'll add it. I'll attach the video to
Yeah.
it. Yeah, so that you see what we did. Yeah, so we'll see you in the next video in other places in another time. All the best in your life. All the best, and God bless you.